Morning guys, how are you all doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. So this is our Bitcoin morning brief. So straight over to the charts. So as you can see, we're playing a game of levels here. Obviously we've got a lot more volatility than normal, so we're playing a game of two levels. We've got this area here, and then the support what's currently support box we've got going on here. So you can see we're testing the top, testing the bottom, getting wicks down, but generally we're working off the top of that support. So yeah, this is on a 1 hour time frame. So yeah, I mean, it's going to go one of two ways. We're either going to get back to the top here, work our way back up to around the 9,100 level, or we're going to come back down, close some 1 or 2 hour candles below here, and then make our way down to this level here. It's hard to say exactly which one. The stochastics and the hour looking a bit toppy, but 2 hour, 3 hour, and 4 hour not looking so bad. Well, this is 8 hours, sorry. 4 hours not looking so bad, so it does look like we could get a bit of a push up to the top, which would make sense. I mean, we've had this big move down, consolidate some of this move around here. If we are going to make our way lower, I would expect us to make our way up to about this level. But yeah, if we break that again, 9,500 level ish, and then 9,700 if we resume the uptrend. But yeah, but my inclination is that we've kind of put in a strong local high here. As you can see, there's massive rejection, so we're gonna play out a bit of this range, and then maybe start to curl our way down, take this out, and then move our way down here, and then it will be a case of we'll have an even more larger time frame confirmed down move, which means it'd be quite likely that we'll then get down to this level here. But this level's pretty important. This could be a good level to reverse from, and carry on going back up. Hopefully, if we look at the daily, you see the daily stokes coming down, and the 12 hour look like they're curling back up now. So yeah, I mean, overall, I do think we'll be testing the upside, getting back above 9,000, I think. But it will be a case of how we react to that level, whether we can then actually get over our recent high. I've actually put a new box in here. It's not coloured in yet, but yeah, this is basically just our recent high here. You can see it's got a few bits of confluence going historically, but I put it on now because it's just an important level for us to look at. If we break over that, then we basically negated all of this downside. Basically its relevance to this shorter time frame, and then we're resuming the uptrend. But for the time being, we're quite a long way from that. Yeah, like I said, I think we'll test some upside, then probably have to test maybe some more downside before we can start to really make some good progress up again. So yeah, that's what I'm thinking here. Yeah, be careful out there, guys, because we still got a lot of volatility probably still in the market. Like I said, we're playing out big ranges here, big wicks. Like if you're in a position, you can't hold on to it. If you're in the right side position, you probably want to make the most out of it. Yeah, it's just a very volatile market at the moment. Well, if Bitcoin's volatile at the best of times, but even more volatile now. But yeah, so yeah, I've been trading smaller size positions, tight stops, and then obviously running your profits, because you just don't know how far price is going to run now. I mean, this move was just incredible up to this box here, and then literally all the way down to nearly the bottom. I mean, that is basically it's basically $1,000 in the space of 2 4 hour candles. So just crazy, guys. But right, so Dan from Trading with Dan. Thanks for listening, guys, and I will speak to you all soon.